Guys,
Hello, blue shirt.
I need to be quiet. But everyone down there
150 blocks.
don't know.
And I
I'm gonna do the secret soundboard, and I'm gonna use
You're buying that?
their voices.
No. Hi, Devin. Hi.
So I'm gonna pull out my soundboard.
I need to buy this. Why are you buying it?
I can't make wait.
Because I need to buy this. But I can't.
Press the red.
Why do you need to buy
Makes
it?
the
Because 130 blocks.
I do it. Don't leave, don't leave. Try to make this sound with your like voice. Try to make this sound. Okay.
Okay, what do I build this to live anymore?
Cat. I have a question. What's your opinions on this sound? Do you like it?
Hey guys, what are you doing?
What do you say? Do you like the sound?
Yeah. Guys, I see
Pretty
you.
Sigma?
Guys, let him in.
No, wait, guys. I have a question. Do you? What's your opinions on this sound?
Oh, I love it. That's
You
so
love it?
good. That's so good for role plays.
Yeah, it's really good.
Like when we're like doing a test contest, we can like press that button. Okay.
Yeah, like
No.
if you're a judge, yeah, that's really good. Person guy.
Right now.
Wait, just wait 1 second. Do you like this sound?
Yo, I can be your airplane. Your airplane.